Okay, here we are on the final risk assessment assignment. Basically, other than the lectures on risk assignment and having the students come up with scenarios for avoid, mitigate, transfer, and accept from their thin client project, the majority of this project is based on calculating the following values. Now, their job is to come up with the formulas for each of these yellow cells. So given these values in the green, and again we hard code these in students' scenarios, they are to come up with the formulas based on the descriptions here to make this all work out. So basically how we mark it, or how I mark it, and again you can go through and explain each of the cells to the students, but don't give them the template, is that how I mark it is I go in, for instance, and I change the cost of the trainer. If the formulas work properly, then we can check the numbers simply. Again, as you watch, you'll see that the numbers change. And again, we can change. I'd usually change a couple of different numbers to make sure that the stuff works. And again, as the numbers change, you can validate. So if their numbers come out properly and they get these numbers in particular correct for untrained employees. But again, the trick is they have to come up with the formulas for each one of these cells based on the descriptions and the lecture notes and the notes in the spreadsheet. Now again, this is the basis for the marking of the sheet, and again it's self-explanatory. We can create, I understand that there might be a discrepancy between one of the sample sheets, but again I can create a sample sheet handout for the students. So again, I give the students the structure and ask them to come up with the formulas. So I expect them to provide all of these answers for this assignment. Hope that helps. Thanks.